Hi, this is Ray. I'm here to show you how to put together my shelf cards. I have some print and cut designs and I have some regular cards. I cut one today just from some different colored paper so you can see what we're doing. So okay, let's get started. First you have the base part of the card that you have cut out. It has two slots and a big area in the center that's been cut out. So we're going to fold that so that the smaller part opening is in the back and this is in the front. Okay. Next we're going to take this piece. You're going to fold these down. Fold this card together and you're going to slot this through the two slots that will line up once you've folded the base card. Excuse this kind of fumble fingered here trying to get this while you're keeping it in the camera. Okay. So once you have that, then you can spread the little things back out on the back. And then the card sits like this. See? Okay, now you're going to take this piece fold those two to the back, and you're going to slot that down through this middle slot that shows up when you hold the card like this. Okay, I'm going to set this down and put it through there. Then those pieces just kind of flare out. So now you have something that looks like this. Next, take the biggest piece that has the little wings, and that goes in the slot closest to the card. So now you have this, and then your little piece with no wings goes in the very front, so that you now have this card. And the card will fold up to put in your envelope. Just have to lay the out flat. And it'll also go up the other way if you want, depending on how your envelope sits. But there you have it. Hope this helped you some, and I hope you enjoy making my cards. Bye.